Oh, ano na naman? Nakatingin kayo sa
Hello,
akin.
class. Who did the homework? Only you didn't.
Wala ko homework. Wala ka naman sinabi kahapon, ma'am. May homework ba?
Why?
Wala kang sinabi! Uy na ako, hindi na nakapag-hunting with dad. Ginulat pa ako ng teacher. Oh my gulay. So, hello everyone. Ako nga pala si Lariel, isang expert horror gamer. At ngayon maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na No One Likes You. Okay lang. So sa horror game na to, titingnan ko pa ba yung this game's you a story about with Zinsomeria. Ano yun? Oh my god, I don't even know what is Zinsomeria. Hindi ko alam paano siya basahin. Zinsomeria. Si Zo Schizophrenia is a chronic, severe brain disorder affecting less than 1% of the population, characterized by disconnection from the reality through hallucination, delusion, and disorganized thinking. So, about dun yung horror game natin for tonight. So, wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's play No One Likes You. Wait. Ganito lang yung game? Hello po. Hello, Kalbo! Kalbo!
Dad, I'm going to school.
Okay,
Okay.
I will go hunting later.
Okay, pa?
Can I go with you, please?
No,
No.
Come on.
listen. Your 18th birthday is tomorrow. Why don't we go tomorrow?
Oh, tama.
That would
Birthday.
be cool. Thanks, Dad. I have to go to school now.
Hey! Ewan ko sa'yo. Kalbo. Ayaw mo ako sama. Okay. Let's go to school. Ang dilim dito. Okay. I'm going to school. Do not go here. Do not go here. I warned you. Talaga ba? Bakit? Ano ba mangyayari sa akin dyan? Wala namang mangyayari. What do you mean I warned you? Oh, may kalbo. Ano meron sa kalbo, boy?
What are you doing here, kid?
Nothing, sorry.
No problem.
No problem.
Man, I wish I was your age.
It's not that great.
Man, I wasted my life. You better study or you will end up like me.
What do you need gun for?
Don't you watch news? There's a ton of danger in this city lately. I need to have protection. What are you doing here still? Hurry up to school.
Tingin nito. Di wag. Okay, bye-bye. Wala naman masamang nangyari sa akin. Di ba? Ganun tayo. Ma-curious tayo. Oh my gulay. Asan na ba yung school ko? Ito ba yung school ko? May nabangga pa dun, no? Ano nangyari dyan? Ba't nabangga yan, boy? Ito yung school ko. Nakita ko na siya. Hello, tangkad.
Sup?
Sup?
Get away from me, ugly loser. No one likes you. Man, I just arrived and you attack already.
Anong...
Well done to rise next
Ugly.
time. Idiot.
Okay. Pangit mo. Pangit. Dun ka na, boy.
Good afternoon, class. I checked your tests. Results are good. I am proud of you.
Nice.
Except you.
Except you. Sino?
Only you failed this test.
I guess you are not only hated, but also stupid.
What? Bakit mo ko i-expose, ma'am?
Ha.
You are the worst student in this class.
Oh my... Pinahiya ako sa...
Maybe consider studying.
Maybe consider leaving this school and getting your shit together. Because you are a true loser.
Alright, that is all for today.
Ano, pumasok lang ako para
See you
mapahiya?
tomorrow. And don't forget to finish your homework.
Okay. Pumasok lang ako ng school para mapahiya.
She is beautiful.
Hello, ate.
Hi.
Hi.
Wanna go out?
Wow!
Are you for real? Yes. Ha ha ha. Look at you. Go away.
Go away. Ay, di alis na. Bahala ka dyan, ate. Pakialam ko sa'yo, uuwi na lang ako, doon ako sa papa ko. Maghahunting kami bukas. Okay, may kalbo na naman dito. Ba't ba ang daming kalbo dito? Oh my gulay. How many kalbo, bro? Oh, ba't yun yan tumingin? Joke lang po. Police! Police! Pati yung police di ko masusumbukan. Okay, bye-bye. Hindi niyo ako susundan ha. Uuwi na ako ha. Baka may biglang sumulpot dito. Wait lang, susumbong ko kayo dun sa tropa ko. Papabarilin ko kayo dun. Asan na yung tropa? Oh, but di ko na nakita yung tropa ko. Pa! Ba't ganyan na mata mo pa?
Hi, Dad.
I'm tired.
You're tired?
Leave me alone.
Okay. Pati yung papa ko ayaw sa akin.
What is wrong with me?
Oh! What the? Shimay. Ba't may tao dun sa likod ko? Pa, hunting na tayo pa.
Hi, Dad. So are we going hunting later?
Yes, whatever. Just leave me alone now.
O bakit? Ano
You forgot it's my 18th birthday.
No.
Oh no.
Happy birthday.
Happy
I'm really
birthday.
busy now.
No!
Watching TV.
Don't you have school? You're annoying.
What the heck? Anong ano eh? Pinapanood mo! Oh my God! Papa! At least, you know, sige na, pupunta na lang ako ng school kahit pinapahiya ako doon. Like, oh my God, like, what is happening to this world, my guy? Tropa!
I don't feel good about this day.
You don't feel good? Nagsusumbong nga ako sa iyo eh. You know what? Dadiretso na ako ng school. Di naman nakakatakot yung game eh. Nakakaano lang, nakaka-disappoint lang. Bakit ganito yung mga tao sa akin? And what is this? Kalbo na naman? Kalbo? Ay no, hindi ka kalbo.
You ugly idiot. You made my baby cry.
Ano ako ba?
Go away.
Oh my... Doon ka na ate, pati ikaw. Pati ako. Nakita lang. Grabe naman, ganun ba ako kapangit para magpayak ng baby? Oh, ano na naman? Nakatingin kayo sa
Hello,
akin.
class. Who did the homework? Oh, you didn't.
Wala ko homework. Wala ka naman sinabi kahapon, ma'am. May homework ba?
Why?
Wala kang sinabi.
Can you do anything in your life? Guess I will have to punish you.
Punish.
Anyways, let's start with class.
Punishment? Para sa walang assignment? How does that
That
work?
will be it for today. See you tomorrow.
Uwi na ako, hindi na nakapag-hunting with dad. Ginulat pa ako ng teacher. Oh my gulay. Ano ba tong gulat-gulat na to? Ayaw ko na, uwi na ako. Ayoko dyan, pabalik sa school pala yan. Pa.
Dad, do we go hunting now?
Take the gun.
Take the gun. Okay, let's go hunting, Papa.
Dad,
Nawala yung Papa. Ah!
where am I?
What the heck?
You are in jail for mentally ill people.
Why? You shot your dad in the chest.
What?
Is he alive? He is in hospital. Doctors are fighting for that poor man's life. Why
Oh
would you
my
even do
God.
that? You don't understand. It was not me. I saw a monster charging at me. That is not true.
Is that true?
The only monster here
Is you.
is you.
Oh my God! Ganun niya nakikita, hallucinations? Oh my God, that's... It's actually a good game for a short horror game like this. Na pinapakita kung ano yung nakikita ng mga may syndrome na ganun. So, I think ayun na muna video natin for tonight. Sub ka na sa akin para ma-notify ka sa mga next videos ko. Like and comment ka na din kung nagustuhan mo. At sana makita pa uli kita sa mga next videos ko. Ayun lang. Bye-bye!